Changing your password on Cash App is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. Scroll down and find the Security option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to access security-related features. Step 4. Change Password. Look for the option that says Change Password. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again if required. Finally, tap on Save or Confirm to update your password. Make sure to remember your new password and consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security.